Hello, welcome back to the channel. Let us simplify this logarithmic expression. They gave us log base c of c power 2 minus 6 log base c of 1 over c. First of all, let us reciprocate 1 over c. That is going to be log base c power 2 minus 6 log base c, but 1 over c, when I reciprocate it, is going to be c power minus 1. Now we are going to bring the power in front of log and multiply. That is going to be 2 log base c of c minus, when we bring minus 2 and multiply in front of log, that is going to be negative multiplied by this negative is going to be positive, and that is going to be 6 multiplied by 1 log of base c. That is going to be 2 log base c of c plus 6 log of c. But we know that log base c of c, this is equal to 1. So this is going to be 2 multiplied by 1 plus 6 multiplied by 1, which will give us 2 plus 6. This gives us 8. I hope you understand this question. For more questions on log, you can check my playlist over here. Thank you very much for listening. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and comment to this video. See you next time. Bye.